Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my privilege to show you this 26HE 2018 Winnebago Sunstar. Let's go inside and take a look around. We're going to start back here in the bedroom. This is a short coach. For those of you looking for a nice short coach that's appointed well, that has lots of amenities like closet space, walk around bed, nice lighting, windows on both sides so that you get a nice flow of air going through here. You got a privacy door that slides across right here. Shower on your left side here, and here's your bathroom over on, that also becomes a privacy door. I'm going to change places here with my cameraman. 26-foot coach can go just about anywhere. That's one of the advantages of having a short coach. Two-door refrigerator, got your freezer up above, plenty of room for all your vittles. Got to have vittles. Nice storage cabinet here, pantry. Across from here, here's all your controls. Show you your water levels, your generator start. This is the control for the drop-down bed in front that I will show you here in a minute. We've got plenty of storage up above. Microwave, 3-burner stove, gas stove, and gas oven. Stainless steel sink. You got plenty of room and plug-ins for a coffee maker. As you look across over here, you got a great dinette. This is a slide right here, so it pops out, so you got plenty of floor space. You'll notice this floor, low maintenance, no carpet down here on the floor. You have a little bit of carpet up front, but that's about it. Up here we've got our drop-down bed. I'm going to demonstrate that right now for you. Go back here where my controls are, push the button, and you'll see that bed drop down. I'm not going to take it down all the way. I'm going to put it right back up right now. Makes it nice. This dinette turns into a bed, and then you have the drop-down bed. So in case you take somebody else with you. You look up front here. Got curtains that go around for privacy at night. You got jacks, auto leveling. You've got here mirror heat and electric mirrors, backup camera. You've got a desk over here for your co-pilot. This just flips right over here like that. That way you can, put a laptop or coloring book. TV's right up here. So when you're sitting at the dinette, you got access to watch a movie, or when the weather goes bad. Or if you got grandkids with you, you can show, you put Ariel on, you guys can sit out by the fire while they're watching a movie. All right, let's step outside and take a look at our storage and some of the other things we have here. We've got an electric awning on this coach. Got some nice storage right here below, right outside the front door. Slam latches, give them a shot. Right here you got a water tank. Notice how these indicators here are showing you where the water level is, not on the inside, but on the outside. Check out this storage back here. You can take more than you should. All kinds of fishing poles, tables, chairs. Electric awning on this coach. Push a button, awning goes out, push a button, awning comes in. More access to that storage area. Makes it nice. There's your backup camera, ladder, hitch already all set up right there for towing. As we move around the coach, here's your generator. It's an Onan 4000 gas generator. That's the one you want. Here's your electrical and your black and gray dump, water fill, all that. Whew, just got a little splash in the face from that one. It's raining here in Oregon. I know that never happens, but it's rare. More storage on this side. Look how deep that storage, it runs this length. Storage continued. Plenty of room for fishing poles, paddles, whatever. Okay. Split mirrors. This coach is powered by a Triton V10. Great motor. Runs and runs and runs. You just change the oil. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, come see me. I go by Coach, so if you ask for Coach, you're going to get to me. Be glad to show you this or any other coach here on our lot. Appreciate the time with you today. Have a wonderful day. Hopefully talk to you soon.